Alrighty guys, good morning. How's everybody doing? Well, I've got, unfortunately, another probably unpopular opinion here where, we've been calling this, I do believe the market still has some more room to bleed to the downside. Quickly showing this to you guys, we have a 1, 2, 3 touch on the descending resistance of Bitcoin. Recently we did sell, I told this to you guys yesterday, we sold $120,000 worth of our altcoin portfolio and we set this up into buy limits and we're already having buy limits get hit. What I did this morning, guys, and this is our, kind of Friday newsletter for everyone here as a member to give you guys an update on what we just released. But if you haven't and you want to watch this, I would recommend you guys doing this. The future forecast, tradeconfident.io. We are sharing with you guys every move that I make. I have about $1.2 million in the market. We're up $200,000 in profit. We have already taken out $130,000 of profit this year. What I'm trying to show you guys is how can you navigate this market correctly right now because of what's going to come. If you understand the short time frame you have here to change your life, then you start feeling this kind of urgency. Between 4 to 6 weeks in this bull market that's coming up, most of you are probably going to earn between 2 to 3 years of working. That's what we usually see. It is such a high increase of 3, 4, 5, 600% increase in your guys' portfolio on your investment that many times this actually outweighs the normal job that you guys are going to. The thing is that every day in a bear market that passes is a day closer to a bull market starting. So today, here's what we're going to go over. The number one macro chart pointing to Bitcoin is about to have a blow off top. Not that Bitcoin has reached the top, guys. It is about to start the blow off top. Okay, rate cuts. What's coming and why I feel like this could light up the market. Global liquidity and M2 supply. They're meeting for the perfect storm. I'm showing that chart to you guys, and if you understand that chart, this is where millionaires are made. But I think a lot of retail traders have no idea how to read M2 and global liquidity. If you can watch what's happening, follow what's happening with FOMC meetings, and position yourself correctly, guys, do some due diligence, and you really can change your lives for the years to come. Why I believe the wealth transfer may hit before a global crisis. Touch on that just a little bit, but not too much. But then really I want to talk about why you guys just need to get locked in and focused. Why should you get locked in and focused right now? And it is all because of what is about to happen in the next few months. I'm going to show you guys a chart right now. And this is a little bit of member-only content, but I want to kind of give you an inside look. This is not available online. We custom coded this metric. You are looking at the actual everyday positive increase or decrease percentage return on Bitcoin for the last 11 years averaged out in the blue line, as well as the red line here. And this red line is only for the 4-year cycles in the bullish years. This is 2013, 17, and 21. When we see what's coming into the market and you guys start understanding the dates that this chart is showing you, and you start syncing this up with the cyclical S&P 500 cycles. And then on top of this, we use risk management where we structure buy limits, and I give you guys those buy limits. This is why we have an edge. I don't mean to harp on this a lot, guys, and this is not to toot my own horn, be prideful or anything like that. A lot of people are down 40, 50, 60% in their accounts. We're up 20% and have already taken out 120,000. So technically we can say we're up about 30% in the account, while many coins have just been absolutely crashing. And guys, we don't have any Bitcoin or Ethereum. I'm all in altcoins and have been able to do that. How is that even possible? We restructure risk management. When we think there's a drop, we get the heck out of the market. We restructure, we get into buy limits, but we do this in a certain time frame where we understand these charts that say we've got a little bit of time left before the actual rate cuts happen, before the macro chart turns over, before global liquidity and M2 money supply start heading back up. And when you understand these charts and you can watch them this morning, you start seeing, oh my goodness, the time is getting shorter and shorter and shorter. And I'll end this with the quote I just gave you guys in the beginning here. Every day that goes by in a bear market is one day closer to the bull market. So when the bull market takes off, you cannot go back and turn back the clock. It's impossible. So, sorry guys, I keep looking at this camera up here. I realized that I switched to this camera here. So I'm going to look at you right now. Sorry, I kept looking at my other camera. When the bull market takes over, it's going to happen fast. All right? Every single day that goes by in a bear market, when you're like, I cannot stand waking up and seeing another red day in Altseason, please listen. That is one day closer to the bull run. And when that bull run takes over, and you guys look at the charts, when I show you guys Bitcoin hitting $166,000 and more, you cannot turn back the clock, guys. If you want to join the membership, that's totally up to you. I encourage that you guys do that, because it is going to help you guys see what somebody with real money is doing. I'm not just here to make YouTube videos to make you excited. This is why we lead you guys from the YouTube videos into the future forecast, so I can be incredibly transparent. I am not going to be transparent and share where all of my money is on YouTube, on a public platform. That's ridiculous. That's silly. But I can get in depth with you guys and show you everything I own and every play that I make, because it's safer inside of a confined membership where I can control whose eyes are seeing it. On top of the future forecast, we do call trade setups out. We are 294 wins and 0 losses. We have never lost a trade. All right. And there's a public track record open to the public. You guys can all access that. As well, on top of that, the indicators. Guys, I've been watching the sales come in. People are grabbing this. Why? Because people see that in a bear market, when the market's about to go up, and when you use risk management and you guys understand the strategy we're teaching you, people make good money. And when they make money like $4,300 in a single week, $9,000 in their account, $2,100 in 3 days, this is what people are doing with indicators in the market where they time the lows and they're able to chunk out 10%, 4%, 12% profits, 20% profits. And then when you guys realize we're going to teach you this, and you go over here and you look at the ledger of the trades that we've called out, and you realize, oh, well, it is possible to win 10 trades in a row, 20 trades in a row, 30 trades in a row. It gets exciting. And as I'm waiting for my hamsters to just run as fast as they can to get my internet working here, it's just been really fun to work with a lot of retail traders here who for the first time actually feel confidence in their trading. And when you guys see a ledger like this, and we win 4% trades over and over in a bear market, and then the bull market takes over like it is, like it has been for Bitcoin, not really altcoins, but we're still winning trades. And mind you, every single one of these trades here is an altcoin trade. It's not a Bitcoin trade. Then you start to realize that this can change your life. And I'm sorry my computer's running really slow here. My apologies, guys. What I'm trying to show you guys is just the trades that we've taken recently and the active ones that have been open. A lot of we've changed everything to 10%. We're at the lows. Like, let's take more profit out of this market. So all of that you guys are going to get access to when you join the tradeconfident.io membership. It's kind of like a little boutique kind of shop that we have here. We coach about 1,400 individuals and families, and it's just been really fun to run with you guys. So that's in the description. Watch the future forecast. You'll see exactly what I'm doing with my money. And it's just, I want to be someone, kind of a mentor that you guys can come alongside and see what I'm seeing. And we really bring the Lord into what we do too. I'm a Christian. I'm a believer myself. And I really feel like God has given us great insight when to get into the markets. And we've seen that directly correlated to profits. I'm not trying to use that as a reason to get in, but it is indisputable. That has been a part of our journey here. So guys, I love you. Watch the future forecast on June 27th, and I'll see you guys in the next future forecast on next Tuesday. All right, guys. Bye-bye. And I think you're going to enjoy this.